Meaning of headstone.
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 Headstone. A headstone is a marker placed at the head of a grave to identify the person buried there. It typically includes the deceased person's name, date of birth and death, and occasionally an epitaph or other inscription. Headstones are made from various materials, including granite, marble, and bronze, and can be customized with different shapes, sizes, and designs. They serve as a permanent memorial for the deceased, allowing loved ones to visit and remember them. Headstones are an important part of many cultures' funeral and burial customs and play a significant role in the grieving process.